guys, welcome back to the channel. So right here we are arriving at Specialty Z, where we're gonna be getting a quick reflash on the ECU. Damn, look at this hella cars that they got back here. Oh my god, they got a lot. All right, let's park and let's go check out what they're gonna end up doing. We got quite a bit of cars out here. A lot of them are boosted like that Z. But let's head over, get this thing reflashed, and then we should be good to go. Specialty Z. What's up?
What's up, buddy?
How you doing?
I'm alright. Why you bringing me an ECU, man?
Needed reflash. I twin turbocharged my high mileage engine. So we'll see how that goes. All right. What's up? How you doing? Good. We got JD out here.
In the next 2 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks for tune.
Yep.
So there we have it. ECU prepped. Sebastian, appreciate you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Cool. So we're gonna head over with Rudy, drop this off, and see how we're doing with the build. So we just got back. Holy shit. Dude, you gotta do yourself with that shit. That shit looks sick. Bruh. It looks so nice. On the oil pumps or the Gertie oil pans on. These fit just fine, huh? No issues?
I had an issue on this side. I actually remember some of that silicone line that we had gotten and didn't work for the other shit that we needed.
Yeah.
It worked for this. Perfect.
You extended it then?
Yeah.
Slightly?
This one I did. That one fit pretty nice.
Nice.
So I didn't have to do much to this.
Look at that. All nice and cleaned up down here. I brought the polisher. A little buffer with a drill, with a little polishing pad. Just like, dale una pasada todo.
That's cool. This one disintegrated when I tried putting it back on.
Which
The
one?
bushing.
Yeah.
This one disintegrated, dude. So we needed bushings. This one kind of broke.
On there. Yeah, I see the chunk that's
Yeah,
missing. Yeah, I
yeah.
need new ones. I should have just gotten a new sway bar.
Yeah, this one was just fucked up. So
Yeah.
we're gonna need bushings or else you're gonna hear clunking. You know?
Yeah. Intercooler on. So these are the brackets that you made for, huh?
Yeah.
That's pretty dope.
Yeah, it works out around.
All right, so we got the ECU. We got all the stuff that we need for the fuel. I guess fuel return kit. So all that's left is just the fuel kit, right? Fuel system.
Yeah, the fuel system. I got the pigtails. I gotta put the downpipes on it.
Oh yeah.
I have one right here.
And yeah, so we got quite a bit of more stuff right here. Pigtails.
Yep.
And then we have the new test pipes. So Burke test pipes. So this is why we didn't want to cut up the Motordyne R pipes, because basically this is what we were going to end up with regardless if we cut off that balloon part of it.
You would have wasted like $1,000 set of pipes.
Yeah. So we got Burke test pipes are going to be going on. I can't get over this. Look at that. What the hell?
They're pretty good, dude.
Hell yeah. No issues with the pipe fitting? Nothing? Everything
I did have to cut a little bit off the.
this side?
Kind of like on this side. No,
Oh.
I didn't cut it, but on this side. Yeah, I had to cut off.
Tiny bit. Yeah, I see that. All right. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, I wanted to modify this instead of having to modify this.
Yeah, this is.
All right, so this is where we're at. Intercooler and all the piping is on. At least for the intercooler, we still need to figure out the intake part. That shouldn't be too bad, right? The actual intakes. That shouldn't be too bad. Cosworth manifolds right there, so we can put that on. But right now, Rudy's gonna be doing is the injectors for the wiring. So
Good old pain in the ass injector wiring.
yeah. So he's gonna.
It's not normally a pain in the ass. It's just we're gonna do the whole terminal by terminal thing. I kind of would have just preferred some plug and play, but we're kind of pinched for time. We got the event coming up this weekend, and yeah, it's not a big deal.
So while he's doing that, I'm trying to straighten out some of these kinks in the little vents. So trying to straighten them out as I'm going. And I did bring a polisher. We're gonna give this a quick polish, all the piping real quick, make it look decent, and then we should be able to get it for startup.
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he described by creating an imaginary picture. Usually it's something that moves. So then, why?
So in here, damn, tank is basically almost empty. Oh shit, dropping all this gas in here. But we got the fuel pump assembly out. Pretty out here. Let's try it. Let me get this thing out and then we'll go over what we're doing here. All right, so here we have it. We're gonna get started on assembling all the fuel system stuff. Relay, fuel return kit that Specialty Z provided. So all the kits, we got extra hosings for the fuel return system that he's gonna make, and then the fuel assembly right here. Sure, yeah, quite a few hours and a little bit of custom work. I'll let you explain.
Yeah, so we're doing what, 450 pump, right?
Yeah, 450.
So the Walbro 450 pump, it's a fatter assembly towards the bottom end, as you can see there. So we did a little finagling here with the adjustable clamp, okay? I cut out a portion of this so we can fit the connector up in here. And we had to cut the bottom piece of this pump assembly. So yeah, we did some modifying to this thing. We also added a little bulkhead connector here so that we don't have any of that terminal heat up problem that tends to develop when you have a high pressure fuel pump, something that draws high amperage.
Yeah, so
They tend to heat up when the gauge of the connector or the gauge of the terminals isn't thick enough. So this is going to take care of any issues regarding that. So that's excellent. And then this little fitting here just to aid in the fuel delivery of the return system.
there you guys have it. All right, so we got the fuel pump back in. This was definitely a pain in the ass. There we have it. This is the assembly right here. We are gonna have to cut out a little bump right here just to clear this, so we have an opening for that, because it does stick out quite a bit. But other than that, shouldn't be any issues. So we're gonna finish wiring this up, running the fuel lines to the front, and then we'll finish up there. All right, moment of truth, guys. It's about to happen. First startup about to go down. So we ended up filling the car with fluids now, coolant, oil, everything cable related is hooked up, and we're about to give it its first startup. We did it, so we did end up having a little bit of issues with the Cosworth manifold hitting the aluminum valve caps. These, yeah, the pipes for the PCV valve hit right here. If I can show you guys, that right there, it's supposed to be a valve, and it kind of hooks up into a U shape right here. That's why this one's off. This one's still on. This one clears, but I do have a little spacer that Randy ended up giving me a while back, so we're gonna put that on to clear, and then we should be good to go from there. Other than that, we got intake filters on. This one's pointed upward because we got the power steering on there for now. We're gonna move this towards the end once we do the final touches, but everything else is done. That polishing on the piping really made it stand out a hell of a lot better than what it was. But filling up on 91, ECU is back on. Shout out to Seb at Specialty Z for throwing that base map tune in there so we can start the car. Anything? We good to go? First startup, guys. Let's go. I think I left the keys somewhere over there. First startup. You can hear that fuel pump. Ready?
Ready when you are.
Hmm?
Ready when you are.
Go hard.
Yo. So far so good, running pretty smooth. We got a little bit of smoke from the heat shielding on the that heat wrap. You guys see that? So we're gonna get a little bit of smoking on both ends. Yeah, we got some smoke coming on this side and this side. But other than that, car's looking like it's doing pretty good. No issues so far. Not reading the gas, but that's not an issue. Rev it?
Yeah.
It's up to temp. Any fluids on the floor?
Huh?
Any fluids on the floor?
Pretty good.
We're good. Let's go. Jeez. All right, so that's basically gonna be the end of today's video, guys. But I just want to go over real quick on the fuel assembly. Rudy, I'll just let you explain it.
So at first we were gonna go with just the single feed from the fuel pump.
We ended up going with return system since it would be a better fit, since we are going to be running ethanol and boost and all that stuff. We want to make sure that the pressures don't fluctuate below what they need to be. So we did go ahead and route return system. We did a fuel pressure regulator here. I think all we have left to do, we just got to button up. Well, all there is left to do is just button up the wiring to the fuel pump.
Yeah.
That'll be it. Right now, just to get the car started, I mean, I wired it direct.
Yeah.
So this isn't going to be anything permanent. Tomorrow I will be bringing out the relay and the harness and wiring everything up properly the way that it's supposed to be. Yeah, that's about it. I mean,
There we go.
overall though, it's cool. It sounds healthy. It's going to be looking at some pretty cool dyno numbers.
We'll see.
Yeah, when the time comes.
Yeah. February 10th, guys, is going to be Dyno Day at Specialty Z. So February 10th, we'll get exact numbers to see how much power we're going to be putting down. But that's going to be the end of today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Huge shout out to Rudy for taking on this big ass project, because I would have been lost. He definitely handled that whole fuel pump assembly. I would have not known what to do right there. And then figuring out the whole fuel system. Give him a follow on Instagram, SoCalZ Garage, down below. But again, thank you guys for always supporting the channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next video.